Hi guys, welcome back. I'm your host Divi from Divi Photography, and today I'm gonna show you something that I bought, and I hope this works for me. This is a little monitor that I can use with my camera. There goes the brand. Let me get it close so you see. You can focus right here. There you go. That's the brand. I bought this for 139. It comes with battery, it comes with a lot of stuff. I bought it on Amazon. This you got right here. You can connect these things right there and right there. Also, you got your settings right here. Your power on, your function. You got this. Got a lot of good reviews, and I see why I should not buy it. Try it. Something I can use for my camera so I can see it in a bigger monitor. Also, this is the battery that comes with it. It's a very good battery. It's bigger. Also, the cable that came with this cable right here. It works for Sony camera, so that's good. Comes with the battery charger right there. It comes with, and this box right here, very nice. The case right here that it comes with. This is so you can put it over here. Let me put this on for you. Let's see, I gotta put it this way. Sorry. It goes like that. So it goes like that on. Now it's got Velcro right there, so you can put your. Oh, sorry. I'm doing this handheld. One hand. Not one hand. Sorry, with two hands. But I'm doing it looking at the camera too, because I got a Sony camera, and Sony cameras don't have a flip up screen. The old ones, the new ones, they have it now, like the Sony S3. They have a screen that you can flip it around. Sony don't have that. The other ones. But yeah, this is something you can use like this, so you can see. And then also something. Let me take the whole thing out. This is something I'm gonna try and see if I can do better, because sometimes you need a little bigger monitor so you can see all the stuff. This got also this monitor got false color. I don't know if you heard about it. I'm new to it. I don't know that much about it. I'm gonna try. He got the histogram, he got a zebra, he got a bunch of other things in here. This is a 1080p resolution, very good resolution. And also if your video camera do 4K, also you can connect it and look at the 1080, which is good. It's good, very good quality image so far that I've seen. Yeah, so I'm gonna try this. Please subscribe, leave your comment. Until next time, I'm your host, Divi from Divi Photography. Please, sorry about that. Leave your comments, share, and that will be all. Appreciate that. Thank you. And that will be all.